Hello, am I audible to you? Hello. So, which was the last question that we did? Okay, can you please mention the last question that we did? So that we can proceed further with the next question. Hello. Can somebody speak out so that I can confirm whether my speakers are working properly or not? I'm not able to hear from you. Yes, Anuj.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are audible. So, which was the last question that we did? Question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 3 was of 2 by 2. So now we need to solve next question. Okay, so here we have question number 4. We need to verify a few things. So let us focus on question number 4. So here we have 3 by 3 determinant. So I'll write question number 4. Let this is my matrix A, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, and 1, 0, 3. Okay, बहुत easy है. It's very easy. Now, देखो, verify A into adjoint of A. So first of all, we need to find adjoint of A. So there are few steps. So step number 1, I will find minor matrix. अंश ने पूछा है सर लक्ष्मण सर, हाँ एक्चुअली मुझे भी आज शॉकिंग न्यूज मिला. लक्ष्मण सर ही इज नो मोर विथ अस. मुझे भी सरप्राइजिंग लगा कि सडनली यू नो दिस थिंग्स हैपन, बट दिस इज द ट्रूथ. यस, लक्ष्मण सर हमारे बीच में अब नहीं रहे, बट काफी अच्छा नेचर था सर का. लेकिन बच्चों को काफी बार क्या है कि मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया था कि गुस्सा बहुत दिलवाते थे सर को. सो वी हैव माइनर मैट्रिक्स. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड माइनर मैट्रिक्स, अब ध्यान से समझो. ऑलरेडी मोस्ट ऑफ यू ऑलरेडी नो. I want basically 9 positions where I will write 2 by 2 determinants. Okay, so ये 1 की जगह पर if I ignore row and column, so I get these 4 numbers. So I will write here 0, -2, 0, and 3. In this position, if I ignore column and row, I get 3 minus 2, 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1, and 3. And in this position of 2, if I ignore row and columns, I get 3, 0, 1, 0. 3, 0, 1, 0. Similarly, in this position, ignoring the row and column, I get -1 to 0, 3. -1 to 0, 3. In this position, I get corner wala numbers, that is 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3. In this position, if I ignore row column, then 1 minus 1, 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 1, 0. Similarly, here I get these four numbers, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 2. Minus 1, 2, 0, minus 2. Then here in this position, I will get 1, 2, 3, minus 2. 1, 2, and 3, minus 2. I hope you are able to understand. And in this position of 3, if I ignore row and column, so I get these four numbers, 1 minus 1, 3, 0. 1 minus 1, 3, and 0. So इन सभी का एक नंबर आपको मिलेगा. Here it is 0, here it is 0. तो basically ये नंबर 0 ही है. Here we have 3 3s are 9. It is minus 2, बीच में minus sign, तो it will be plus 2, तो it will be 11. Now let me use the red color. Here it is 0, here also 0, so here you will get 0. In this position, it is minus 3 minus 0, basically it will remain minus 3. Here it will be 3 minus 2, so you will get 1. Here it will be 0, minus of minus 1 plus 1, so here you will get plus 1. So I am highlighting these numbers, and you should also confirm, are you also getting the same? Here I will have 2. Here I will have minus 2, minus 6, which will give me minus 8. And here it will be 0 plus 3. So I will get plus 3. So are you getting such numbers in minor matrix? Yes or no? I got numbers like this, and it is a matter of patience and concentration. नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी, ऐसी ये सिचुएशन है. तो आप भी कंफर्म करो, हो सकता है कोई मिस्टेक मुझसे हुई हो. So we found this minor matrix. Now step number 2 वो क्या होता है? Cofactor matrix. Now cofactor matrix and minor matrix are same, but ये जो 4 positions है उसकी साइन चेंज कर दो. So 0, minus 11, 0, plus 3, 1, minus 1, 2, plus 8, and 3. So congratulations, we got cofactor matrix. Then step number 3, we can now get adjoint matrix. How to get adjoint matrix? By doing transpose of cofactor. इसकी रो कॉलम को इंटरचेंज कर देना है. So 0, 3, 2 first column is converted into first row. Second column, which was minus 11, 1, and 8, converted into second row. And third column, 0, minus 1, 3, is converted into third row. So with this, we got adjoint matrix. So I hope आप मेरे साथ में कर रहे हो. So are you getting adjoint matrix like this? Yes or no? Raise your hand if you are getting the same answer like this for adjoint matrix. Okay, very good. Now we need to prove something. What was the left hand side? Left hand side was A into adjoint of A. Okay, so I need to multiply A with adjoint of A. And let's do one thing. हम साथ में ही कंपेयर कर लेते हैं. Let me take the eraser so that we can save the space. So there are three things which we need to prove here. So I will divide into three parts. And out of these three parts, first part was A into adjoint of A. Second part was adjoint of A into A. And third part was determinant of A into I. So चलिए ये तीनों कंफर्म करते हैं. A into adjoint of A. I will write matrix A first. 1 minus 1 2. 3 0 minus 2. And 1 0 3. Into adjoint matrix which we have already found. 0 3 2 minus 11 1 8 0 minus 1 and 3. And here it is a reverse adjoint of A into A. So 0 3 2 minus 11 1 8 0 minus 1 3 into A. 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 and 1 0 and 3. And in third position, determinant of A into I. So determinant of A के लिए I will write matrix element but in bar. 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 and 3. And when they say into I, so I is one matrix where diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. So matrix I is called identity matrix where diagonal elements are 1. So हम चेक करते हैं क्या ये दोनों इक्वल है या नहीं है. ओके 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So again we will get 3 by 3 matrix. So I am creating some space. These types of questions are bit lengthy. अब देखो कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है ऑलरेडी यू नो बट देखो 1 minus 1 2 फर्स्ट रो में वी हैव 1 minus 1 2 so I will write like this 1 something minus 1 something 2 something 1 something minus 1 something and 2 something 1 something minus 1 something and 2 something. Then 3 0 minus 2. So 3 something 0 minus 2. 3 0 minus 2. 3 something 0 something minus 2. Then 1 0 3. So 1 0 3. 1 something 0 something 3 something 1 0 and 3. And column को column wise से लिखना है from second matrix. We have column 1 is 0 minus 11 0. So मैं यहाँ पर ही लिखूंगा row wise 0 minus 11 0 0 minus 11 0 0 minus 11 0. Then 3 1 minus 1. So 3 1 minus 1 3 1 -1, 3 1 -1, then 2
हाँ
8
हम कर
3।
लेंगे।
हेलो, हो गया आपका?
आगे से हम कर देंगे। हाँ सर। सर
हाँ हाँ
नेक्स्ट।
सर, ये हो जाएगा सर, ये आगे।
हाँ एक्चुअली बहुत क्या है कि
वही
लेंदी
सर।
टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, उसमें कुछ है नहीं। सो व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस here and here, you will get the same numbers, and as well as in right hand side also you will get the same numbers. Okay, so I hope आप ये कर पाओगे। कुछ अगर इसमें डाउट हो
हाँ
तो आप
सर,
मुझे
हाँ।
बताना, ठीक है?
यस सर।
अंश आपसे हो जाएगा ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन? हेलो, ओके ठीक है, गुड। सो we have find the inverses of each of the matrices if it exists given in exercise 5 to 11। एक काम करते हैं, there are so many questions, so हम ये जो 6 है ना उसमें से क्या करते हैं, 3x3 के करते हैं 2 क्वेश्चंस। सो ये आप ट्राई कर सकते हो, ये आप ट्राई कर सकते हो। ओके, ये एनीवे हम स्किप करेंगे बिकॉज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का है। सो चलिए अभी हम ये क्वेश्चन 9 पहले सॉल्व करते हैं। कोई भी 2 करेंगे, 9 and 10, देन 7 and 8 will be homework. So question number 9, we need to find the inverse 2 1, लेकिन एक लिखा है if it exists, so 2 1 3, 4 -1 0 and -7 to 1। This is matrix A. So first of all, confirm whether value of determinant is 0 or not. ये 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, otherwise we cannot find inverse. So let us find step number 1, value of determinant. So determinant कैसे find करेंगे? 2 into small determinant, then 1 sign change करके लिखो, then I have 3 into small determinant. Then if I ignore this position of 2, then I get these 4 numbers, -1 0 2 and 1. In place of this I get 4 0 -7 1, 4 0 -7 and 1, and in position of 3 I get these 4 numbers, 4 -1 -7 2, 4 -1 -7 and 2. So let us solve this. ये हो जाएगा -1 and 0, ये हो जाएगा 4 and 0, ये हो जाएगा 8 and here 7 1 just 7, बीच में माइनस साइन। सो ये है -2, दिस इज -4 and 8 -7, 1 3 जा 3, ये है 3। So can I say it is -6 plus 3? So are you getting as -3? So this is not 0. It means A is a non-singular matrix. If determinant की वैल्यू 0 नहीं है तो गुड, इनवर्स हो सकता है। It is non-singular matrix and therefore A का इनवर्स एग्जिट्स। तो सबसे पहले डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड कर लो, देन स्टेप नंबर 2 विल फाइंड माइनर मैट्रिक्स। So to find the minor matrix we need few elements, okay, and जिसमें से फर्स्ट रो के एलिमेंट्स हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड किए हैं। Now in first row already I found few elements. देखो -1 4 and here it was 8 minus 7, which was 1. So I will write these elements. It was -1, 4 and 1. ये ऑलरेडी हमने पहले फाइंड कर लिया था. Now now we need to again write the elements in other positions. Okay, so look here, in place of this 4, if I ignore row column, then I get 1 3 2 1 1 3 2 1. Here extreme 4 numbers will be there, which is 2 3 -7 1. थोड़ा सा लेंदी है, but just have patience. And in place of 0, if I ignore this, then I get 2 1 -7 2. 2 1 -7 and 2. And here I will get 1 3 -1 0. 1 3 -1 and 0. Here in place of 2, I get 2 3 4 0. 2 3 4 and 0. And here I will get 2 1 4 -1. 2 1 4 -1. So let's see ये कौन से numbers आते हैं. ये हो जाएगा 1 1 जा 1 -3 2 जा 6. So basically ये है -5. एक काम करता हूं, मैं बाजू में लिख देता हूं so that we can understand. So -1 is there, 4 is there, 1 is also there. Here I got -5. Then let's see here, 2 plus 21. 2 plus 21 will be 23. Yes. Here it will be 4 plus 7, 11. Here it will be 0 plus 3. Here it will be 0 minus 12. Here it will be -2 minus 4. It is -6. So are you getting these 4 numbers or this exactly same numbers? Then which matrix? Cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix means just change the signs of these 4 numbers. -5 will become +5. 11 will become -11. -12 will become +12. So yes, we got cofactor matrix. And after cofactor, second last stage is adjoint matrix. Interchange row and column. We are near to the answer. So -1 5 3, first column will be converted into first row. Second column -4 23 12 will get converted into second row, and third column 1 -11 -6 will become third row, and fifth one, inverse matrix is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon determinant, already we found the value of determinant, which was -3. So 1 upon -3 into this adjoint matrix, -1 5 3 -4 23 12 1 -11 and -6. If possible, you can divide, otherwise you can leave it as it is. So I can write like 1 by 3, it will be minus 5 by 3, 3 by minus 3, this will become 1, it will become 4 by 3, this will be minus 23 by 3, here it will be 12 by minus 3, which is minus 4, it will be 1 by minus 3 or minus 1 by 3, and here it will be 11 by 3, and here it will be plus 2. So I'm getting answers like this. Can you confirm what is the final answer which they have given? Is it the same or different?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think in the textbook in the end they have given answers. Oh, I got lost. Acha, these are into different pages. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand how to find inverse matrix. Already we have learned earlier also how to find inverse matrix. Okay, so I request you to try one more question of 3 by 3 so that practice is possible. Okay, and tomorrow we will continue. And after 2-3 days we will have 1 hour sessions. Okay, chaliye, bye bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Okay, bye bye. Care.